Hello， 朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Miller's Kitchen. Today, let's make 肉夹馍 with pork sandwich.
Today I will show you how I like to make this delicious pork sandwich. It's absolutely delicious and simple to make. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by making the dough. Mix the flour with sugar, salt, and yeast. Then slowly add water in while mixing it. When the dough starts to cramp up, let it rest for 15 minutes before kneading it. Now let's cut the garlic and set it aside. Then remove the skin from the shallot and split it into cloves. Then peel the ginger and slice it. Next, let's slice up the pork into smaller strips. Let's get back to the dough and start kneading it after resting. When you are finished kneading the dough, turn it into a circle. Cover it and set it aside for 45 minutes to an hour. Now let's heat up the wok, add some oil, and toss in the herbs. I am cooking the herbs to release the fragrance. Then add the pork in and cook it with those herbs. Let's add some cooking wine, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, salt, and sugar. Mix everything together and add in water. Then cover it with a lid. Bring it to a boil and remove the scum floating at the top. When you finish remove the scum, place the lid back on and let it simmer on medium-low heat. Now take the dough that's been resting and roll it out. Then split the dough into 6 even pieces. After splitting, knead the dough and roll it into circles. Next, flatten the dough and cover them. We are going to cook the dough in a pan. You can add oil in your pan, but I'm using a non-stick pan. Make sure you flip the dough every minute until you get a nice crust on the outside. You know when the dough is ready by the color and how much it rises. After the filling has been cooked for 90 minutes, take it out. Make sure to use the sauce. Now we want to slice the bread. and mix up some pork. Place some pork in the center of the bread, and the sandwich is done.
Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. The pork looks so juicy. It's very delicious. It is savory and very fragrant from all the aromatic. The pork is very juicy and tender. The bread outside is crispy, inside is very soft. It's very tasty. If you guys have any question and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。